Hi friends, in this video tutorial we will study everything about slicers. So I have with me a data in which you can see employee name, building, department, ID, phone number, status, hire date, years, benefits, compensation and job rating. Now suppose I would like to filter this data, but this time using slicers. So let me show you how you can do that. First you have to convert this entire data into a table. In order to do that, click anywhere inside the data and press Ctrl A to select all. After that, click on the Insert menu and in Insert menu, select Table. Select that my table has headers and click on OK. Now a table is created. Now once the table is created, then you can go ahead and make a slicer. In order to insert a slicer, click on Insert and in Insert you are going to select Slicer. Now it will ask you what kind of slicer you want. So I want a slicer which should display the department, which should display the status and which should display the job rating. So I put a check mark next to these three items and then I click on OK. So you can see I get the slicers. Now the slicers are sizable, so I can size them this way. Ensure that the heading should be visible so that you can understand what is that slicer about. Then take it to one of the corner. Then the status, again I can size it up and I can take it to this corner over here. And finally the department. Now you can see there's a huge number of values in this. So after selecting this slicer, you have the option in the slicer menu, columns. So I can make the columns to 2 or 3 and then I can size this up and I can keep them over here. Like this. So the advantage of these slicers is, supposing I want to see all the full-time stuff. So I click on full-time. You can see in the lower left corner, it shows you that it is right now displaying 377 out of a total of 698 records. Supposing I would like to also see half-time. So I'll press Ctrl and click on half-time. So now you can see it is showing us 465. Now I want to see all those employees which have a job rating of 5. So I click over here. So you can see full-time or half-time employees who have a job rating of 5 and it has filtered it to 115. And finally I would like to see from the operations department. So I click on operations and you will get only 5 records. So this is the beauty of the filters. Again, if you want to unfilter them, click on this X mark. It clears the filter and clears the filter. And if you want to delete the filter, click on the filter box, press delete, click on the filter, delete, click on the filter and delete. So friends, hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.